what is the stacking together with the automatically wrapping system for pipes and those kind of the profiles. Here in this system, it's the wrapping. Here, suppose it's kind of for the round pipes as well as the rectangular pipes. This is good for steel wraps, steel strip. Usually the thickness for this steel wrap is about 1 millimeter, 0.8 to 1 millimeter, even 1.2. Normally it's just 1 millimeter for wrapping. This is the strip. And here is the run-out table, or even we call it like a stacking system. In this line, we have combined this kind of, we call it like a square packing, or even we call it like hexagon packing method. From this tooling, we can get the idea. So we just cross the line. We just cross the line, we will see. And now we are going to run in the line. Here is good for overturning. One more time. Here is the overturning device. And while it's used, applied into the line, those kind of the small tools will transfer the pipes just one piece by one piece into the place. Okay, now we go to check the wrapping, steel wrap. In last video, I have tell you that we have to make sure the lock, the wrapping lock, should be in middle of the surface. So there is some 3 key points how we adjusted the central. The first point is about we setting the sensor, because for the trolley, while we do this kind of traveling left and right, there is some 0 point, correct? We have the limitation over there, switch, the limited place. So we can adjust the limitation place. This is kind of, we call it like a mechanical part. And the secondary point is we control the trolley comeback time. We call it like a program way. Suppose for 10 seconds, it will back to the original point. So we will shorten the time to maybe like a 5 second or even 7 seconds to make sure it will stop like the package just in middle of this part. Here is the standard. We call it like a middle of this point is the middle. Okay, this is a secondary solution. Now we come back to this. Here is kind of the mechanical lock. Here is mechanical lock. While you put out this, you can a little bit move the head. So it also can help you to set up the central. So this is the 3-point, how we adjusted the central. Okay?